Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. How are you? How are you doing, everyone? My beautiful Onyinye is running from around. Babe,
yeah,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Guys, I'm just away from the road from church. We are from church actually. We are from practicing choir. You know you are singers. Practicing choir. Okay, songs I mean. We are singers, me and my wife. Let me just stop and introduce ourselves. Good evening from Kenya. How are you? How are you doing? Welcome once again. I'm Chacha Steve. That's my YouTube channel name. What's your name?
Justin Steve.
And now you look beautiful. She look beautiful, guys. You can see. And we look alike.
Somehow.
I think we match. And our product is there. Braden, come.
You sing from top to
Eh?
bottom up.
This is the father, the mother, and the son. Wow, holding a kuba. Are you happy now, Baba? Eh? My son likes sweets, so I had to buy him sweets. Actually, guys, I'm from job. We are heading home. It have been raining. This is a very great day to our side. Can you introduce yourself?
Justin Steve. Yeah, thank you always for watching our videos and supporting us. Let God bless you as you continue watching our videos.
Yeah, this is my bag, guys. She's carrying my bag, so we are heading home. Brendan, twende. So guys, actually we are very much happy and we are very much grateful. We thank our Father Lord for bringing us rain right now. It have been raining just a few minutes ago, and still you can see there is some water down there. You see? Over there. Yeah, and it's still drizzling. Still drizzling, actually, guys. So I think this is a long waited day that you have been waiting for the rains to rain. Babe, help breathe in. Remove this. So it's a long waited day. You know, we as farmers, when it rains this way, guys, we feel so happy and we feel so grateful because we know now our plants are going to do well. Like to my side, guys, now without wasting even a single minute, I'm just from job. I just want to rush home, go change my clothes, go at least do a portion of where I'll do. Maybe tomorrow morning I will finish with my planting of tobacco. So I'm going to, or even if it's a Sunday, babe, we have to start in the morning. We don't have any other time. And you know very well, on Monday I'm going on tomorrow still in the evening I'll be going back to job. So it's a chance we have to utilize it very well. So we will do a portion where we will do and we will go to church. Okay? So you will bear with us, guys, of doing that, but we have to do it. So guys, we are heading home. Actually, I'm very much happy for the rain. So thank you, God, for the rains. Actually, we appreciate for that, for the fact that the rains have come. So guys, come with us through. Let's go home and head. You see how we are going to plant the tobacco. That's how it is, guys. So I think you're gonna love the process, as in so many people had requested me on how to do what, to show the whole process of how to plant the tobacco. So I think you are going to see it, guys. So since we started with you on the nursery bed together, we have been watering it all the way until now it's ready. So today it's now big enough where we are going to plant it. Babe, I hope you've been watering it daily. Even today you watered. And immediately after watering, the rains are now here. So it's time for planting. They are so much ready. So it's time for planting, guys. So come with us all through this video. Keep watching. Ooh. Guys, welcome back to our home. We are now heading to our home. Braden, mambo vipi? Uko Mbuya? Oh, okay. So we are heading to our home, guys. And I think we are just going to change our clothes and head to our shamba. There is my son still waiting for money to get money and purchase some cements for plastering. And whose maize is that? Mom's maize? Hey, soldier, how are you, my pet? Hey, wait. It will climb on me. This one will climb on me. Hey, Justin, you like eating?
You know, I blessed it in the
Guys, bear
morning.
with us. I think we should add some light. Oh, yeah. Oh, I have some surprises for you people.
This githeri,
Mm.
I just blessed it in the morning, and you can see how it is.
Surprise. Irene,
You
how are you?
can see how it is.
Come, come,
Imeiva.
Helen. Uh-huh. Here's our last born, guys. How are you? It's cold. Have a surprise.
Thank you.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Hi guys,
Hmm.
my name is Irene.
Hmm.
My Steve's sister.
Okay, where are you heading to? Ziko na wapi? And I wanted you people go help me to plant tobacco. Si uende uzilete hapo juu basi, alafu munisaidie haraka. Ziko na wapi? Saa hii tu, in fact just right now. Mama ameenda wapi? She's sick. Oh. Okay. We will be there. You will come. Finally guys, we are at our shamba, and here is our blackberries black kitchen garden, and now guys, there is our shamba. That's where we want to plant our tobacco. We had initially made some, how is it called? I think it's farrowing. The hips we had initially done, and now here is our tobacco that we are going to replant. You can see them guys. So I've come with a basin to carry them, and everything was wilting actually because of the sun, and it's a very great day, and it's a very great chance because the rains have rained. You can see the progress of our Chinese cabbage actually are growing up very well. It's because there have been a lot of sun now that they're not growing up very big. Our blackberry also have replanted. Babe, you have replanted the black nightshades over here. And these are very great progress. And also, it's still healthy, but still somehow wilty. You can see? You are watering.
Sawa.
Babe. Hello. I think you should hold for me the camera so that what should I do? Or you will uproot the tobacco. Don't you, will you? We don't have the camera person, guys. We are only two of us, and we need to multitask actually. Uproot the tobacco, make some holes, give the. I think we should start with the tobacco so that it's ready.
And it's tall.
And it's tall.
So,
someone is calling me. Let me just answer. Okay. So this is how we do it, guys. You can see the roots are very much tall. So I think we are going to cut them short so that it this is how we do it. So I will be uprooting them. You know this tobacco now, it's very ready now, babe. You can see now it's very strong. The stems are now. Why
couldn't you have a sweater?
I'm very much okay. I know I am just going to sweat right now. That's the reason you saw me coming just that way. Making holes, it's not a joke. So you know that. So, this is how we do it. You see? Now, those are the roots. You see? Now it's time to transplant.
To plant.
Transplant. We are transplanting from the nursery now to the shamba now. Which English did you learn? So that's how you do. Now the work of this knife, it's to cut, and it's blunt, babe.
I don't know how to sharpen a knife.
Can you show us? So I'm cutting the tall roots, you see, so that they remain small that way. You see, it's very blunt. Now I will be putting it here. It's okay. So you have to be careful when you are uprooting them so that they don't. You hold at the stem always almost to the tip of the soil. You see? Ndio isikatike. You know, some are still attached to the soil, very strong to the soil. I'll have to bend to see the future clear, as Abraham did. Baba, are you learning something? Eh? You know this work you will be doing on your own when you grow up.
They will not plant tobacco. It's tiresome.
Hakuna kukudekeza dekeza.
Mwambie it's so tiresome we.
Mwambie, is money tiresome? Ask mom, is money tiresome? But actually, let me advise you one thing then. There is nothing tiresome as long as you are getting money from it. Do you know that? Me, as long
But
as
tobacco is so tiresome.
but
From the day one, from the nursery, the seed bed first.
okay, when you get money, do you recall the tiresome part of it? Haki ya Mungu, hii kisu ni blood. Utaniletea kisu kingine. I like it.
Natoka.
That way. Yes, I think that's enough. Let's go. We start from that far end there. Now what I have not done is to reduce the leafy, but let's just plant them that way. I'm going to leave my shoes here. I step down. Justine is well prepared with gumboots. Hold the camera now. I think let me just start from this far. Yeah. Let me start from here. This is how you do.
Kenda nyumbani. Uone kwa ile meza iko huko bed. Uone kare kadawa karibaki. Ukule.
Na manyiri ta chini kilio. Niliene leo.
Si unajua kare kadawa katumbo eh? Eh. So anyway.
This way. 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 Era leo wote. This way.
Mcheru.
Derecho.
Zaguri genderi otarare. Ay, kinita quiero ir en. You know, I wanted to remove that the this one, the pumpkin. I found it as again flower. Put another one. It's there.
Oh, there is another one there.
You know the other one, the cow interfered with it.
Oh, the day that you were applying.
Nilikuwa nataka niing'oe itoke. Kaona imeweka ingine nikaiacha tu.
Guys, now here's the process of planting the tobacco now. I think you can see now. Very clear.
Aki kuna baridi na tetemeka.
Hey, if you're feeling cold, they give you the jembe.
Wala hivi, si chacha. Niwapa nuko bara banene mboga kobiri. Wana ha anyora bakobi ano gutunga. Bayo. Tuyo ata msini kila muntu mahasa si open. Kama nona matuta batega bakini.
Bra, ay muku yakana. Muku yakora.
Ngamba igasi.
Ngamba hegasi. So kimbarebe. Nati muku chati ko yarane.
Ora kutunache. Ng'ombe wako ya usora. Umepata? Tumbi imeisha. Beni we kumuruma aso kisira. Enda. Tadira niriogo. Atera nakamuhire skuri. Inkiona kante biri ronde ninke akamurumira. Tebigera muruma.
Hapa tubako.
Ikara haki igo so kisira.
Hapa tubako
Jangun ko gankana divide na kera gankana.
Oh guys, now there is the other process. Houston is doing what? Now putting the tobacco in the what? Is tonging. She's tonging now. Now that's how you do. Where? Let's see. This one has broken.
It's dry.
It's not dry. It could catch up, but it's only that it siutoe nini coffee. Chauchi. Mvua imeenda baby. Uski. That's the next process. She's now putting the tobacco in the holes that they've made. And you can see the green part of things. It's the tobacco in the holes now. And Braden is trying to make some holes for me. There's one that Braden has made. Okay?
Nzuri baba, niweke ndani tuweke. Acha nikupandie huko yako.
Acha mami akupandie yako. So, and that's how we plant. You put that way. Yeah, that way. Hey, and you know how to space, Baba? Yeah? You know how to space? Ugulito. You imekuwa. Ingine? No, Braden is a na anajua kuspace. Wow. Aya, imekuwa. Ingine? That's how we plant, guys. So it's cold. At the moment you will wake up from down there, you will be sweating. The process continue, guys. That way. We are trying to cut the, how are they called? The tablets. Soil has gone into my eye.
Gitambi nakaruchimbutukoke kinyati kirara si haina shida. Saa hii ni jioni na utapanda kesho asubuhi.
Expect no sleep here. This one is going to finish. I'm going to finish it.
Meacha kingine chini moja. No. Kisontoke wanshuru.
It's almost 6. Just leave the knife there. I'm wasting any time. I'm always the best in doing everything. I'm praying God tomorrow there will be no sun so that it catch up all. You see?
Even if the sun will be there and the rain is there again, it will still catch
in the
up.
evening. You see, guys, how quick I do it? That's how you do it. Now when you raise up, you hear the waste, and there's much water down there. This rain has, it cannot be visible. At mom's shamba there. Kumeja. Huyu umenyesha mingi. It says from up here, rain was much.
Hivi imenyesha mingi.
Umejaribu
Kama imenyesha mara moja na imeshika chini.
Nini baba? What's that? Nini hiyo? Ah! Nilete maua.
Valentine ilisha.
A baby is a baby. When he wants anything he wants to share. So my son Braden wants to share everything with me. Daddy! He wants I notice everything that he's holding. Well, guys, you can see now the tobacco is tobaccing. Wow. The greenish part things you've seen, guys, it's tobacco. Also our sister wasn't left out. She came. She went for business, she's back. So that's how we are doing it, guys. Etato. Oh. Sindaka niongeze huko kwenda mwisho huko. Antabulihara. Guys, at least my shamba is greening. The green part of things you seeing, the small things are tobacco plants. Wow. Thank you, very important. The planters were Irene and Justin. Today is on a Sunday morning, guys. We are finalizing at least. Come and finish this, please. Don't get tired.
Birthday. Angeleta watu wangapi hapa wampande?
Many. That's the reason you are there.
So we need a cake for Brayden's birthday. Oh no. You have unga.
That's how we are doing it, guys. Good girl.
Good girl inakujanga na zawadi. Haikujangi bure.
Well done. Congratulations. Hey, it wasn't so easy, guys. Only 3 of us hold this shamba. But I did the best. Unajua kupiga mashimo ni ngumu. Unajua hivyo. Shamba mzima. Hey. Well, it's shambering. Let me show you where we planted yesterday evening. You see how it is standing very well. See, guys. Wow. Now, that's how we plant tobacco in our place. At least. So, wow. I'm so much grateful of this moment. We are done, babe. This is what was stressing you now. You see, I have a plan.
You have a plan.
Yeah, I prayed to God and God brought rain. And rain watered the land. And we planted without using water. Usually, guys, we usually use water. When it's dry season, we just fetch water from our well. And when it's complete, we have another spring down there where we go and take some water. And we come and plant. Let me now take you through our nursery. And you see how blank it has remained. This was the jembe. Hey guys, you can see the green part of the thing, the tobacco now in the shamba. At least from here now, henceforth, we are going to still have a daily routine on how it's growing up until the time that it will reach the time of harvesting, guys. Justin, how do you see our shamba is looking now? Narichomere, hana kamera kwa mpaka mugoroba mwisho. Ubaso kono bono ngora asali. Ngora asambe hana kwa tama mugoroba. Yori riringira no more. Remember no drago na serious. Mana kono no lere tere yori ko tere. Yeah, guys, you can see the shamba now. You know when you complete planting now as a farmer, you feel so happy. Eh? Mwaso having a Morosu like Houston. See how big the tobacco is, guys. Eh? Huh? Wow. So you can see our nursery now has just remained blank. We have just remained in this portion. Now this portion is spared for gapping. Is it gapping, babe? Sindio? Yeah, this portion is we know it's not all that will catch up very well. There are some that will dry because of the suns still, and we will have to do some gapping. You see, guys, looking very nice, looking very, I love the greenish part of the tobacco, how they are coming out. Our nursery now is remaining blank. Babe, hey, our Chinese cabbage is doing well. You know, you should be harvesting now and start eating. Have you? No. Do you think they grow big more than there? No. They don't grow big more than there. Not now. Just give them some weeks, and you planted them near. There is a friend of mine who was requesting for the seeds of the Chinese cabbage and Makobe. He's just a friend. Makobe. The cowpeas. Maybe I can call him to come and take some today. And what do you planted here, babe? This is a nursery you did here. You did a nursery like here. Na mbona sijaiona hii? Mbona sijaiona hii? Yeah. So why don't you transplant them? So you planted some Chinese cabbages here still.
I was watering.
You are watering them. Thank God the rains has rained. Umezipanda karibu babe.
Sisi nakufa zingine.
So you have removed the, you can see, guys, she has removed the black nightshade and retained the seeds down just there, and they are going to germinate all more. Then you will be transplanting them from here. And you can see you burnt your shamba. So very soon I'm going to plow for you there, and you will be planting another maize. Sindo? Ukifyeka hapa vizuri ng'ari. Yeah, ukifyeka vizuri ng'ari. Unaweza lima mara moja na upande. Fyeka tu huku hivi, siku nikikuja nitakulimia, si ndio? Now our kitchen garden gani for the, how are they called? Spider plant. Nsaga in our language. Nsaga, guys. Nsaga. Here they are. Spider plant. I will come and take them and go and plant. You know when rain rains, all vegetables in the shamba feels well. You can see that, like, this one is sprouting. It was so dry. I just decided to weed a little, then wait rain to come. Wait rain to come. It was hard to weed. Hey, you see. Hey, and it's sprouting very well. How did you taste this one? I think the other day we ate it. Was it sweeter than this? It was. Now that one I haven't tasted. You haven't tested this, and you have it in the shamba, and it's growing old, babe.
I do mix it with the black nightshades.
Black nightshades. You should eat it alone now.
It's alone. I haven't eaten.
Try and eat it alone. We ate that alone. So you had it tasted very sweet. Yeah. And your cabbages are doing now very well. They kill semen. They need manure, sindio? They need manure. Now, right now the rains have rained. They need some manure. You see, story mbaya. Continue. You see now, guys, this is what makes our land very fertile. And I advise you, babe. You see, most of this place here. Most of this place here. When you are collecting this cow dung, come and sprout it over here. You see? hapa hivi. Habibi ben kuchance hanoi kama kuchance hanoi. Yeah. You come and smear them here, over down here, so that it gains fertility. Na hizi mbegu zilikuanga kubwa kubwa.
Ni kubwa.
Can see guys. So big. I want to plant this maize here. Now seeing what? Want to plant them here. There is a sample that I want to do. You see? Don't uproot them, please. I know you. Let's go. Yeah. I know you. So guys, we are finally done, and this is our kitchen garden now. It's at least enjoying the warmth of the rains. And we are done. Where? Oh, yeah, jute leaves. Let's have a look on them. And what of the onions? Why don't you plant them more, babe? So you add a portion of land somewhere and replant them. You have a big portion of land.
Big portion, where is it?
Si ukate kasehemu hivi uongeze.
Wapi?
Hizi vitunguu. Unajua unaweza kuwa tu unauza.
Wapi? Kama hizi zenyewe zimetoka pekee.
Gani? Hizo Chinese.
Yesterday I harvested them.
You harvested them. And the other day you were to do staking, but you never did. And you can see now they are down. Can you give me that knife so that they make a stake? Just hold for me the camera. I want to make a staking for you this tomato. Right now. Without wasting even a single thing. Let me cut.
At least my fence is facing, but anini, how is it called? Tingating. Yeah. Ilinitafia kidogo. By the way nilieka ndani. Si unaona ni hapo tu juu ya huko. Huko kumeporomoka ndo maana. Si unaona hapo hivi niliingiza. Si unaona huko juu huko hivi kuliporomoka.
I want to do the staking, guys.
Hata hizi vitu zinafaa kung'olewa, zibaki vitunguu zenyewe. Na nilipanda vitunguu zenyewe, hizi mboga zikajimelesha zenyewe hapa ndani.
Si uzing'oe zibaki vitunguu.
Nitazing'oa. Hiyo hata iko sawa tu ndio.
See, I have left you for a very long time, but you've never been this.
I have a lot of work.
Justin, how many minutes will you take to stake these tomatoes for you? You see? Now, you have to just lift them up. And do this. You see? Now, dip this down. So, you see? Now they stay there that way. See? Or let's use the upper one. If way. Yeah. How do you see it, guys? See that way?
It's good now.
It's good now. Also this. Let's do this. I think we are going to This is so blunt. I want to just
Ndio uweke ile.
There's another one.
Ile huko. Ama ile ndio iko chini. Sio hiyo. And I never sprayed any pesticide.
Any pesticide.
Sio hiyo. Kuna ingine huku iko chini kabisa, ng'ombe ilikanyaga. Twende uwekee ile.
So these.
Ati hiyo eno gakore kindi. Takaona gake.
Let me bring one.
There is somebody who came and told me, you are planting two.
Yes.
This
No.
thing.
It's one.
I told her, can you confirm if there are two?
It's one.
Until
Where's
she
the other?
confirmed. Iko hapo juu hapo kwa kanasa.
This one. Yeah, this one is big.
Kwa ni kubwa na iko chini.
So let's rub it this way. That way. This now, guys, they've just taken shape. You can see they're very much okay. Yeah, very much okay now. Lifted up to avoid the rotting of the tomatoes. Also this one, it's very much okay now. And one tomato is ripe there, and the other ones. You can just harvest it. So that's how things are, guys. So guys, finally we are done, and our shamba now it's shaping, and you can see now the tobacco are the greenish part of it. So we wanna end our video here. So I wanna appreciate you guys for watching this video until the end. May God bless you a lot, and always keep giving me support. For the new viewers, kindly consider subscribing. This is the best place to be. Keep tuned for more content from the village. Babe, can you introduce yourself?
Okay guys, really thank you for your prayers and everything, support. We really appreciate you. Let God bless you as you continue supporting us and wishing us good goodies. Let God bless you as you go to church. Yeah,
That's how things are. And you should remove this.
you know I was doing work.
We want to see you how beautiful you are. Guys, we want to see how
I'm going to
beautiful she
move while
is.
I'm
Yes.
going to church.
Yes, beautiful now. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that's how things are, guys. So thank you very much. Let's meet the next video. May God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
We love you. Mwah.